In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Motorola. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and download free app from Flare2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!